Welcome to the EasyBiz Quotes and Invoices section. This page is filtered based on the period of time specified in this top section. It can easily be navigated based on a selected period of time, such as a year or a month. Once you've selected the period of time you want to view your quotes and invoices for, simply select the Submit button. The first tab to appear is a Quotes and Invoices summary, which breaks up quotes and invoices based on their status and total values and amounts paid. There's also summary charts, and these are also based on the filter specified up the top of the page. The Quotes tab gives you a listing of all the quotes based on the filter specified at the top of the page. You can search for specific quotes using the search area up the top. Simply specify what you're looking for, such as sent quotes. Click search. Be sure to click clear search criteria once you're finished. You can view the details of an individual quote simply by clicking the select key. You can copy a quote, you can attach images and files, you can convert a quote into an invoice, or you can simply delete it. Let's create a new quote. I filled in most of the fields required for a quote already to save time. The company drop-down list are the customers configured in the contacts area in the administration menu, or a new customer can be entered directly by simply clicking the new key. The sales rep is a contact in the contact system configured as staff, and again a new one can be entered simply by clicking the new key. If we go down to the items area, we can have a look at the different items available. I've selected this item drop-down list. As you can see, a number of these items have INV after, indicating that they're items configured in the inventory system. If they don't have the INV, that means they're configured up here in the items and rates section. So the drop-down list supports items from both the items and rates section and the inventory system. You can preview the quote simply by clicking the PDF button, and you can also email it directly to your customer or whoever requires the quote by using the email button. Once finished, click Submit. Let's convert quote 1093 into an invoice. So we switch over to Invoices, and there's the invoice we've just created. The invoice section works much the same way as the quote section, with the period filtering the list up the top. We also have a search section and the listing where you can select the individual invoice, and you can copy an invoice, mark it as void, and attach images and files. Under items and rates, you can specify items that are available for quotes and invoices. This is in addition to items available from the inventory system. You can enter an additional item simply by entering the details in the bottom row and clicking the Submit key. In the settings area, you can enter your ABN, the first invoice or quote number used by the system when you first configure it, and you can also update the inventory. This means that when you send an invoice, you can also tell the inventory system that the item's been sold. The invoice will actually give you an opportunity to specify if the item's also been shipped. You can also configure the default email message for both quotes and invoices in the section below. There are also these fields that are surrounded by curly brackets. These are placeholders, and these are replaced by the relevant information such as the contact name, the business name, and so forth. Once you've made any changes, be sure to click the Submit key. Thank you.